the west road so that we can go east on the east-west road.
Oh, that's just confusing.
Yeah, this is the stupidest numbering of this freeway ever.
Dad? Never mind. I love how whenever you just see through the other part, I'm the backup driver. Oh, wow. I'm sorry. Ever since I started driving, I became super nervous about everything.
Now, if you want to, we could drive through Biltmore Park and then just come back out and get on the freeway. What do you think?
What?
If you want to, we could get off on Long Shoals, drive through Biltmore Park, then come back out and get on the freeway. What does that sound like?
No thanks.
Actually, that is the faster way to where we're going, I think. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, 240's faster. All right.
It's like I can't even handle that. For me, it's just like it's the only bit like terrible. Like the only thing that I'm really having to have today and animal care, and I think I can get the I don't know what happened. Like one day I was eating, and then like literally the tip of my canine just broke off. And I was like, ever since then, it's like I have this weird nerve that like sometimes it's be there, other times it's not. Sometimes like I'm scared while there's yeah. So I just I don't want to just not like like this. That little girl, I don't know that.
Normal traffic jam. This is why they're widening the freeway.
It's why they're widening the freeway.
Well, they should be making narrower cars.
Motorcycles. No thanks, I do not trust that.
But there's Biltmore Park if you want to stare a little bit.
A double-decker motorcycle. The Benji cycle.
What the heck?
The London buses.
2:30 on Saturday. Why in the world are we getting this much traffic?
What did you say, Dad?
2:30 on Saturday. Why are we getting this much traffic here?
Procrastinators forgot it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
It's hot, dude. Somewhere. Somewhere in the world. It's high noon out west.
Well, this hill up here is a 6% grade, so, you know, a truck hits it and they slow down and it causes backups, but this is a little abnormal for this time of day.
Raise the roof, Jesus. Right. Raise the bar of expectation.
Or lower the bar and go limbo.
Just constantly going. This is a beautiful feeling.
Always interesting to see that happen.
I don't do two wheels and rubber.
Wait, what? Has he actually done that? No. Okay, good. Yeah, with three wheels.
I just got faster without training.
You know how the Mario Kart two-wheel counts in the car?
Yes.
When Mario Kart, I think one-wheel counts like on Rainbow Road. I have done that too. On the Wii version of Mario Kart, I actually did beat the world record for each circuit on a motorcycle with someone beat it both that one. Yeah, it wasn't, no, it was automatic drift. That's it. No. I never did, on Mario Kart for some reason, I never did manual drifting. And somehow I managed to break the record, the official record that's on the Wii. Congratulations. That's right. I'm sorry. You want to know what my dream was last night? What? I don't know what the fuck about the weird stuff. The main scene of it was that somehow it's like we had a time machine and we pulled out George Washington. The studies regarding about George Washington. He's a revolutionary war. And like we had him draw a map what America was like top. It was so random. And like the funniest part was that like they had it just the whole time. That was the confusion. You know he didn't have teeth. We're made out of mud. Yeah, guys, you just put teeth. Yeah. You know that he, I can't speak. Did you know that America had a constitution? The Articles of Confederation calling America Queen of Friendship. That's good, right? Well, actually, it's not the Quakers on by the Prince. You know, the only thing about the Articles of Confederation is that they just cut off no carbon tax, not raising everything, not doing anything. The only good thing I got out of the Articles of Confederation is land free state. Okay? So we do those now and go to Constitution. Like it's illegal is because in order to change up the Articles of Confederation, we need 13 out of 13 states to say that. So we made the Constitution. It's that stuff inside one house and a hot summer in Philadelphia. One hot summer. Wow. We needed each other. But everyone shows that George Washington was at the meeting, and then we managed to show that George Washington would be the first president, even though he really didn't want to be. He just wanted to go home and carve. Really? Yeah. But it's like, who should be the first president? George Washington. Wait, what? Those guys. George Washington. Okay.
They wanted to be home more.
No, it's usually the person who doesn't want the job is the best qualified. It's the people who are too eager for it that are going to grab it. That is a fair point.
Yep. That's part of why I'm so worried about the political process now. Because we have a lot of people that just desperately want power. And we don't have anybody who's saying, you know, I'd rather just make sure it runs right.
Yep.
From what I can tell, this section is going to be done before the end of the year. From here to the intersection. It'll be nice to finally have it all completed up here.
Yeah.
In fact, it might be within the next month because they just paved down the last lane that they've been trying to dodge people around for a while.
Haven't they been working on it for like 3 months?
Well, actually, this part has been in process for almost 10 years because of some political intrigue and some business failures.
Oh,
Yeah.
goodness. I did not know this.
Yep.
Isn't it interesting? Politicians accusing each other of playing politics.
Seriously?
Yes. You listen to the news, one side is always accusing the other. They won't vote for my stuff, but they're playing politics. Well, if you're a politician, what are you doing?
Exactly. Yeah, this guy's got it. Good thing I don't watch the news. I'm a friend of cold. Yeah. People are trying to kill me. I don't know how to play it. That's my sister.